you must be Pajama Sam.
Uh-huh.
I'm George Someone, the personnel manager. Glad to see you could get here so quickly.
No problem. What do you keep in the file cabinet?
Files, mostly. Not very interesting stuff, I'm afraid.
Oh. It's blank. I must be non-photo blue. You look like you're thinking about something.
You're right. I'm trying to figure out what keeps clouds up in the air.
Hereford?
I beg your pardon?
Never mind. We were expecting someone else. Just dust round the picture frames for now. You can vacuum later, when we've finished.
Dust? But
Perhaps we should try to come up with more questions for the employee quiz while we wait for Mr. Hereford.
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? Who played the monster in the original movie version of Frankenstein?
That's not a very businesslike question, is it?
No, I suppose not.
All right. Yes, tree. No one ever was to come over and sleep, but...
Excuse me, how come you have a hat in the middle of the table?
Oh, we're putting our questions in it.
Questions?
We're making a quiz to give people when we interview them for jobs.
Say, you look pretty typical. How'd you like to help us test the questions?
What do I have to do?
Just pick questions out of the hat and see if you can answer them.
That sounds easy enough.
Go ahead and choose a question.
Economics is similar to what other discipline? Hopscotch.
Ha ha! Yes, I suppose you're right about that.
Good going. Try another one.
Okay. I'm ready to go ahead with the test now.
All right then, go ahead and choose a question.
If Tom gets 1,200 frequent flyer miles a month, how long before he can get a free trip to Jamaica? Too long.
That's absolutely correct.
All right, you got it.
Try another one.
Okay.
Go ahead and choose a question.
What is the number of ballpoint pens an average employee will take home from the office each year? 100.
Amazing! According to our figures, that's exactly right.
Way to go!
Try another one.
Okay.
Go ahead and choose a question.
A plastic item that can be used in place of money is... a credit card.
Yes, quite so. Well, I think we've got a pretty good start on our quiz. Thank you very much, young man.
You're welcome.
Now, on to new business. We have to talk about a color scheme for the executive washroom renovation this spring. Are there any suggestions?
I guess you're the boss, right?
I'm the chairman of the board, yes.
How come you guys don't have chairs?
We should have something to sit on, but there seems to be a little problem getting that organized.
All in due time.
Hello again, sir.
Wow, look at all that. I didn't know making weather was so complicated. Here's another one. Another one! Liquid sunshine. Ingredients: sun. Use with caution. That's liquid sunshine being put in cans. Another one! That's liquid sunshine being put in cans. I can't slide upwards.
Hello again, sir.
Good day, Mr. Sam.
Wow, that's bright. Mom always said not to look at the sun.
Hello again, sir.
There's one.
Hello? Is somebody out there?
Hello? Who's there?
Why, it's Wingnut, of course.
Wingnut? You're on my list. I'm glad I found you.
I'll bet. I am the most important piece of the sun machine, after all.
Are you stuck down there?
No, but I'm kind of lost. You'll have to come down here and get me out.
I have to come down the drain?
Yeah!
Well, okay. Pajama Sam always helps those in need.
What's a Pajama Sam?
It says UV filter. There's one. That looks like some kind of solar collector. This must be where the wingnut goes.